Wave motion. Waves are disturbance that travel through a medium or space carrying energy while particles of the medium oscillate about their mean position without net displacement. Example: sound wave, water waves, electromagnetic wave, waves and rope types of waves. Mechanical electromagnetic. Properties: A. Reflection, B. Refraction, C. Diffraction. Reflection: when wavefronts strike with the rigid barrier it returns into the same medium, it is called reflection. Refraction: when wave travels from one medium to another, its speed changes and diverge from its origin, diffraction. The bending of waves around corners of an obstacle is called diffraction. Wavelength and diffraction. Gap size and diffraction. If the wavelength is shorter, as when gap size is smaller than the wavelength of the wave, it diffracts significantly. Compared to size of gap, it diffracts. When gap size is larger than the wavelength of the wave, it diffracts less.